Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to change the blank white background in a Microsoft Word document to a watermark or a solid color or picture. So let's get started. First you need to make sure you have opened Microsoft Word, and then you need to click on Design tab. It's not clicked, yeah, click on Design tab and then click on Watermark. So here you can see various types of watermarks which you can insert. Click on Confidential, and as you can see, confidential has been added as the background of the document. So you can even insert a picture or a solid color by clicking on Custom Watermark and then choose Picture Watermark, and then you can select the picture which you want to upload. So let's take an example. Okay, so here now you can see a picture has been added as a background to that Microsoft document. You can even choose solid colors by going back to Custom Watermark and then Test Color. So this is it, how to add a background or watermark in your Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Comment for any doubt or clarification and I'll be replying to your comments. Thank you.